Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about hide activity in LinkedIn. If you want to keep privacy on your LinkedIn account activities, then how will you keep private them? So let's get started. First of all, you have to click on your profile. Then you have to scroll down over here. You will see your all activities over here. Just look at here. I have commented on some posts and I've liked some posts, and all these activities are public on my profile and I want to keep them in private. So I will simply go to my profile icon and here I will go to my settings. Once you click on your settings and privacy, and then you have to go on visibility. Then you have to go on edit your public profile. Once you click on it, then scroll down and at the right side of the screen, here you will see there are so many switches for your account publicity or privacy. So here you can adjust your profile activities and privacy. So simply what you have to do, you have to go to articles and activity, and here you can see a green button. You have to click on it. Once you click on it, then all your activities will be hide on your profile, and if you want to do something more, then you can apply from here as well. So guys, this is how to hide activity on LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Keep watching.